Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a real estate investment trust with BlackRock step by step clearly. To secure a real estate investment trust with BlackRock, begin by researching the types of REITs they offer. Visit BlackRock's official website to explore their investment options. Review the performance data and historical returns of their real estate funds. Identify which REIT aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Create an account with BlackRock if you do not already have one. Provide the necessary personal information and complete the required verification steps. Once your account is set up, navigate to the investment section of the platform. Select the desired REIT that you wish to invest in. Determine the amount you plan to invest in the selected REIT. Make sure this amount aligns with your overall investment strategy. Review the investment details, including the fees associated with the REIT. Ensure you understand all terms and conditions before proceeding. Confirm your investment choice and finalize the transaction. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about its performance. Consider setting up alerts for any updates or changes regarding your REIT investment. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it continues to meet your financial goals. Stay informed about market trends and news related to real estate. Engage with BlackRock's research and insights to enhance your understanding. Continuously evaluate your portfolio to make adjustments as needed. Attend webinars or workshops hosted by BlackRock for further education on real estate investments. By following these steps, you can effectively secure a real estate investment trust with BlackRock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.